Hi and welcome back to Digital Toolcase. In this video I want to compare two different SEO ChatGPT Plus plugins. And I'm talking about this SEO.app. I suppose this is the most famous one. I already saw some videos about this plugin on YouTube, your personal SEO assistant for content marketing. And then I found this SEO assistant. It's under the new tab, if I'm not wrong. Here it is on this plugin store. The SEO assistant can generate search engine keyword information in order to aid the creation of content. So we can compare these two and see if there are any differences. If you have ChatGPT Plus, you just need to go here under GPT-4, choose plugins, and then you can go here on the plugin store to install these plugins. Now I will deactivate all the other ones at the moment and just activate this SEO.app. The first thing I can try is, for example, to extract keywords from an article URL. I choose this one, for instance, from Search Engine Journal. Let me try with something like this. Extract the most important long-tail keywords from the content on the URL, and I just copied here my URL. Let's see if this works. As you can see, it's using SEO.app, and now you can also share a link to this chat if you want. Okay, I have, as you can see, a list of 10 long-tail keywords. Now I will check if some of these keywords are in fact inside this article. I can't find this one, for example. Not a good start. I think AI is just changing the keywords or making up the keywords based on the content itself. Even this one is not in the article. It's the first time I'm trying to use one of these plugins, so this video is just to see if they work as promised. Again, this one is not there, not a good sign at all. Let's try with this one. I think it's really strange that no one of these keywords is in the article. This one, it's here, it's in the title, so in this case these keywords are not exactly in the content. Now I will check this meta description. And again, I can find the words used in this meta description, so I suppose it's made up by AI. The only keyword I really found in that article is this Google Search Generative Experience. Not so good, but maybe I'm doing something wrong. This is why I want to try the same prompt with the other SEO plugin. So now I choose this SEO assistant and I want to try the exactly same prompt. It's saying it can't extract content from a URL. I don't know if this is true. Let's try again. Sometimes this happens. Okay, it seems not working in this case. So what's the point of an SEO plugin if I can't extract something from an URL? I was just rechecking this plugin. The SEO assistant can generate search engine keyword information in order to aid the creation of content. So maybe this plugin is not able to search on the web, it's just generating keywords. I don't really know. And I can't even find an official page for this plugin. I would really like if OpenAI could indicate here a URL for the official page to understand better how to use these plugins, but I can't find it. So I will say this SEO assistant is not so useful. Let's try to use it in another way. For example, just to try generate some long tail keywords for an article about Google SGE and give me competition score. I suppose it will not work because if it's not able to surf the web, it doesn't know what Google SG is, but let's try. It's using SEO Assistant. In fact, is doing something. Let's see here. It's just searching for a keyword, but it's doing nothing else. So I'm supposing it's just creating these long tail keywords based on my input. I don't really know how this plugin works. If you have a better experience than me with this tool, with this plugin, just let me know in the comments. Now I will try this same prompt with SEO.app and let's see how it goes. Okay, I have some keywords. I don't know if these are real searched terms, but anyway, they are related to Google SG because, as you can see, it's talking about Google Search Labs, it's talking about Google SG and conversational mode, so it's understanding what I'm talking about. Let me check here what this plugin did. Key phrase, the user wants to generate some long tail keywords for an article about Google SG and wants to know the competition score for these keywords. This was quite my prompt. As you can see, it's extracting LSI entities. This is really interesting. Google Search SG, Experience, Labs, and so on. It's searching for articles where Google SG is in the first paragraph. So I will say it's doing a quite good job, this plugin, and just from these two quick examples, I will say that between these two plugins, SEO.app and SEO Assistant, the one to use is absolutely this one, SEO.app. It's winning because the other one it's doing pretty nothing here, or maybe I just can't understand how to use it. Anyway, this is it. I suppose that's all for this video because anyway you can install this plugin SEO.app and play with it and try to do your things. But just with this quick attempt, I will say use this one and not the other one. Okay, that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for being here until now, and as always, I'll see you soon in the next video.